How to change Fifth Third bank password. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Fifth Third bank website by typing www.53.com in the address bar. Next, log into your online banking account using your current user ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab from the left side. Then, look for the option labeled Security. Tap on it and you will see the option Change Password. Click on it. Then enter your current password for verification, followed by your new password. Make sure your new password is strong by combining letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm the new password by typing it again in the provided field. Finally, save or submit your changes. You should receive confirmation message that your password has been successfully changed. Remember to log out after finishing and keep your new password secure. And that's it. Now you know how to change Fifth Third bank password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.